This instructional video will show you how to align a sheet of transfer paper onto a tote bag using the Perfect Transfer Alignment tool. First thing we'll do is we're going to remove the tool and the transfer from our platen and just lay out our bag onto our platen. I prefer to put the handles just slightly off the platen. You can either do it this way if you have a clamshell press and you don't like to work that way. You can also rotate the bag onto the side of it as well. Just depends on which way you want to do. So in this case we'll do it vertical. I'm just going to put the handles just directly off of the bag and I have it laid out. Now what I can do is I can take my transfer paper and place my transfer paper down onto it. I'm going to use the Perfect Transfer tool. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the vertical lines on my alignment tool and slide the tool so it centers the actual bag. Now that it's centered, I can slide it down so that the top of the tool comes right there. If you want, you can just use the tool now to eyeball and come within the 8.5 vertical lines, or if you have an 11-inch wide paper, we have an 11-inch vertical lines, and just eyeball using a 2 inches from the top coming down. And that would be one way to do it. The other way is you are able to use our inserts. You can use either one or multiple inserts. In this case we'll put the large insert that has the finger slots up at the top. I can put the small insert down at the bottom, and I can use on the inserts, they also have the same markings, vertical markings, and this will allow you to press down on the inserts because it's made out of a polycarbonate material. It will not break. You can press down and see that it's centered within the 8.5-inch verticals. Now all we have to do is make sure we're horizontal, so if we want to do, let's say 2 inches, we can come across the 2 inches that way. The other thing that you can do as well is you can rotate the different tool to hit different marks. And if you want to hit 2 inches, we can bring the small insert up and the top of the small insert comes straight across the 2-inch line. So by rotating that one up, I can press down, align the transfer paper with that, and notice down here it comes down as well onto this side. All I have to do now is just remove the Perfect Transfer tool and close the heat press. And that's how you can align a sheet of transfer paper onto a tote bag. Thank you.